Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best black and white photography cameras that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Kodak Tri-X 400 single-use flash camera brought to you by the imaging world. This camera comes preloaded with the iconic Tri-X 400 black and white film, offering 27 exposures. It's a disposable camera with a fixed focus lens and automatic exposure control, making it an incredibly simple tool for on-the-go black and white photography. This camera's design is straightforward. It's lightweight at just 5.6 ounces and compact enough to fit in your bag or pocket. The fixed focus lens ensures that you don't have to worry about adjustments, making it ideal for fast-paced, candid shots. It also comes bundled with a microfiber cleaning cloth, which is a nice bonus for keeping your lens clear. While the Kodak Tri-X 400 delivers decent results for its category, it's not without limitations. The single-use nature means you're restricted to 27 shots before needing to recycle the camera. However, it's perfect for those looking to dip their toes into black and white film photography or anyone wanting a nostalgic experience. It's not the most versatile option, but its simplicity and classic film make it a fun choice for beginners or hobbyists. Coming in at number 4 is the Kodak PIXPRO AZ405 a versatile digital camera that combines basic photography with some solid features for vlogging. With a 20MP CMOS sensor and a 40x optical zoom, it's ideal for capturing a variety of subjects, from wide-angle landscapes to distant details. The 24mm wide-angle lens and optical image stabilization deliver sharp, clear images even at long zoom ranges. The build quality is robust without being overly bulky. Weighing in at 15.4 ounces, it's heavier than a compact point-and-shoot, but still portable. The 3-inch LCD screen is bright and provides a good preview of your shots. Plus, the inclusion of 1080p Full HD video recording makes it a decent option for beginner vloggers. The biggest downside is that it runs on AA batteries, which can be inconvenient for those accustomed to rechargeable options. However, its 40x zoom and wide-angle capabilities make it a good value for casual photographers who want a mix of still photography and video capabilities. While not specifically tailored for black and white photography, its versatility earns it a spot on this list. At number 3, we have the VJIANGER digital camera, a solid choice for those who want an affordable, feature-packed camera for both photography and vlogging. With 64-megapixel resolution, a 16x digital zoom, and a 52mm lens, this camera offers a balance of high-quality stills and ease of use. It also includes Wi-Fi connectivity for instant sharing of your photos and videos. The design is compact and portable, weighing just 1.43 pounds, making it travel-friendly. The 180-degree flip screen is a standout feature, perfect for selfies or vlogging. The camera comes with 2 batteries and a 32GB micro SD card, ensuring you're ready to shoot straight out of the box. While it's not a professional-grade camera, the VJIANGER is perfect for beginners or hobbyists. Its manual focus feature lets you get creative with your shots, and it doubles as a webcam for streaming or video calls. The only limitation is its digital zoom, which doesn't offer the same image quality as optical zoom. Still, it's an excellent entry-level choice for anyone exploring black and white photography. Our runner-up is the Teftimon 4K digital camera, a versatile option that combines a sleek design with robust features. This camera boasts 64MP photo resolution, 4K video recording, and autofocus for sharp, detailed images. The 16x digital zoom and built-in flashlight make it a reliable choice for a variety of lighting conditions. Its standout feature is the 3-inch, 180-degree flip screen, which is perfect for selfies and vlogging. Built-in Wi-Fi connectivity allows you to transfer files easily to your smartphone and share them instantly. The anti-shake feature is a nice touch, especially for handheld photography. The camera also comes with 2 batteries and an SD card, making it a complete package for beginners. While the digital zoom is not as strong as optical zoom, The Teftimon's overall performance and ease of use make it a great option for teens, beginners, and casual photographers. It's user-friendly, lightweight, and packed with creative features like slow motion and time-lapse. If you're looking for a camera that can handle both black and white photography and modern vlogging needs, this is a fantastic choice. Finally, at number 1, we have the ARRIA-PIX 4K digital camera, the newest and most advanced option on this list. This camera is equipped with a latest generation CMOS sensor that captures stunning 64-megapixel images and 4K Ultra HD videos. The built-in flash ensures high-quality shots in low light, making it perfect for indoor and outdoor photography. What sets the ARRIA-PIX apart is its Wi-Fi connectivity, allowing for seamless content sharing via the ViPulse app. The 180-degree flip screen is ideal for self-vlogging, and the autofocus system ensures sharp, detailed photos even in challenging lighting. It also comes with 2 batteries, a charging dock, and an SD card, providing everything you need to get started. The ARRIA-PIX is packed with features like anti-shake, time-lapse, and slow motion, making it a versatile choice for creative photographers. Its portability and user-friendly design make it accessible for all skill levels, from beginners to advanced users. With rave customer reviews and a feature set that outshines the competition, the ARRIA-PIX stands as the best option for black and white enthusiasts and modern content creators alike. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.